Hey guys, this is Guardian1234, and I'm going to show you one of the strangest glitches I have ever seen on Google. I don't understand why it does this. Well, it's actually on Microsoft Edge, but it's still one of the strangest glitches I have ever seen. So you go to Microsoft Edge, starts up normal, you know. My tabs are here, everything looks completely fine. But when you search up Google Docs, Google Docs download, oh, the last couple times I did it, it went to this strange website then. Here, you know what? I'll go to my history and I'll show you the link. For some odd reason. You see this? That's what it did. See? I searched it up, download Google Docs. Oh wait, sorry. Must have did it wrong. Download Google Docs. Then it does that. It says Culinary Foundations. I don't know how it got that out of the download Google Docs, but it did. This is one of the strangest things I have ever seen. I hope you guys agree, and I'll see you on my next video. It'll probably be another Warframe challenge. I'll probably live stream it. But anyways, hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you next time. Adios.